So I'm going to be doing a quick and cheap lighting installation here in my garage. I know it doesn't look like it because my camera brightens everything up, but it always appears, or at least to me, it always seems like it's dark in here. And whenever I'm working on projects, I tend to have my garage door shut. That makes it way worse, even if it's sunny outside. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's raging windstorm outside right now. And when I have my door open, it blows leaves in and stuff in here starts moving, and it's just, I like to have it shut. I have some projects coming up here that I need to do, and I just feel like it's always dark. So I just wanted a quick lighting setup to get a little bit more light in here, make it a little bit easier to see. Now my electrical in here is not the best. Basically I have a power wire coming in underground, comes in through the side of the garage, follows up this wall. I have an outlet and a switch, and then it goes up along the side of the rafters, and then basically I just have these two lights and then an outlet right there. Now I know I could easily splice into that and add a bunch of outlets and lights and everything hardwired, and then only have to flip the switch on and then everything would come on. But I just don't feel like spending the time to do that right now, and honestly you don't know how long I'm even going to be living here, so I'm just looking for a temporary thing, which is what I have set up already with these lights. The cord comes down to a power bank or power strip, and whenever I leave at night I just shut it off. Not very hard. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm gonna take this power strip and plug it in up there, mount it up on the side of the rafter, and then run the power cords from my new lights to that power strip, and then I'll just have to click it on and off. Just going for a temporary thing right now. So let's get these hooked up. All right, here's the setup. The wire for the power strip goes over some crap I have up in my attic, but like I said, this is temporary. And I just used 2 screws to hold the power strip in there. And then I ran the wires right down the middle here and used some zip ties to hold it up there. Like I said, it's temporary. So I got one in kind of the middle and 2 over there. Let's see how it looks. That is way, way better. Sweet. Well, it's a lot better in here than it was, so not bad for a, I don't know, $60 setup, power strip and 3 lights. So definitely make it easier to see what I'm doing when I'm working on stuff, which I think is important. And it's all temporary, so if I ever move, I can just cut the zip ties and take out the screws, and I can take all that stuff with me. So there's a small chance my property might get bulldozed someday, so I don't want to put any permanent structure in here. That's gonna cost me money and be something I can't take with me. So everything I'm doing here is just temporary. So thanks for watching.